KAIZER Chiefs Football Club to sign left winger Tashreeq Matthew as a replacement for KEAGAN DOLLY at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Welcome to KAIZER Chiefs Corner, where you will hear all the latest news related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Guys, Tashreeq Matthew has been in sensational form in Sweden, where he's already scored 9 goals and had 7 assists in 26 games for his club, and KAIZER Chiefs Football Club wants to sign him as a successor to KEAGAN DOLLY. So Tashreeq Matthew is a former South Africa under-20 international who also played for the likes of Borussia Dortmund in the Bundesliga as well as for Ajax Cape Town here in South Africa. He is only 23 years of age, guys. So Tashreeq Matthew is a very versatile player that can play in both the wings, left and right, and also as an attacking midfielder who can score a lot of goals, which is exactly what KAIZER Chiefs Football Club are looking for. So KAIZER Chiefs Football Club management, they feel that this guy Tashreeq Matthew is the right player to replace KEAGAN DOLLY when he retires at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. They want to sign him in January so that they can, in the meantime, learn from KEAGAN DOLLY, and then when KEAGAN DOLLY hangs his book, Tashreeq Matthew will take over from there as a new KAIZER Chiefs left winger. What do you think? Please comment below your thoughts on this news, and please make sure that if you are new to this channel and if you don't want to miss out on any video that is related to KAIZER Football Club, make sure that you subscribe, put on this notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club.